Sataji, we talk about wealth and prosperity. And I think आज के दिन एक जो हमारी मेंटी notion बना हुआ है was that success is about money. Wealth is आपका bank balance कितना है, गाड़ी कौन सी है. But in the truest sense, कि what is true wealth? And if you genuinely want to be prosperous, कि आप कैसे wealth and prosperity define कर.
Let's take the example of sun. That's what prosperity means. It gives, and there is a joy in it. It's not just a nuclear explosions happening. We never ask why they're happening. Because there's so much abundance of energy inside you. And people who are seeking success, if you look closely, they're empty inside of energy. They're seeking energy. They're hunting energy. And for them, money will give them whatever they want. But prosperity is like abundance of energy. You're radiating energy. True sense, that is Lakshmi means. Lakshmi means you want to benefit your customer, not earn from him. I tell many youngsters, they say what career to choose. I say, choose a career where you feel that how I can give more to life.
Because I want.
Because I want to. That intention qualifies you. Cosmos becomes aware of you. When you're stealing, mostly career things or everything is stealing from your own body to study hard and stealing from life to fill my pockets. We're all thieves. And wo Raja hai. He's the emperor. And he loves emperors only. Even if you are in a hut and if you can think like I will not say millionaire, that is another, think like a king. What I can give you, show me a way what I can give you back. You see, magic will happen. But I don't have this, please give me this. That is a beggar mentality. Billions are doing that. But in between, what stands out is somebody saying, I don't want anything. Show me what I can give you. I want to. Even singing a song for life is prosperity. You're super rich. And such prosperity, life won't let you die. It's your fears, you're killing yourself. If that doesn't happen, that will happen. We do not trust the king. We trust the fears of our thief. In true sense, prosperity is circulation of energy. You see, money we call currency. Why we call currency? Money means that which flows, circulates. Current, it's a current. If I give you, naturally you'll have to give me back something. Otherwise, you won't be able to receive it. We are the dams. Paisa aata hai, it stops with us. If life gives us something, it stops at us. And if life gives you something, if you give forward, more will come. Communication starts. But you can then say, and you won't care, because giving is richness. In giving, there is a joy. You're expanding when you're giving. You're shrinking when you're keeping. When it's kept, it will be stolen. When it's given, it's safest.
तो कुछ सेव भी नहीं करना है. You don't need a bank. You don't need to secure it.
Try it psychologically then, If you want to expand your knowledge, share it with people. More and more will come to you. So, if you want to be successful in life or rich in life, stop being a psychological beggar. Same in relations. Because prosperity in heart level is also on the relation level. That what I can give this woman, what I can give this man. Not that how she can be mine or how he can be mine. You go with the intention to give. That very intention is what love is. You want that person just. And the same way, that very intention towards life is magic then. You're not asking. You're looking ways to give. So that for me is the true prosperity. And then you're entering a different economics of life. पायो जी मने राम रतन धन पायो, चोर न लूटे, खर्च न छूटे, दिन दिन बढ़त समायो. I found that jewel of Ram inside me. There is no expenditure and nobody can steal it. And every day it's increasing. So that's where our psychological approach towards prosperity is how I can have more. But cosmic's prosperity is kings give. They don't rob other kingdoms.
And if you're going to give, ultimately वो वापस आएगा, एक energy current create करेगा. What about a youngster who wants to earn money, or wants a certain, क्या वो गलत है कि मुझे इतना कमाना है या मुझे
हाँ, kamao. You see, don't make money your dead end. You say to life, I want to do all these things which I want to give life back. झूठा वादा नहीं चलेगा. False promise. And then you say, please provide me whatever I need for all that. You will get. But people are asking only a dead end desire. I should have millions and I should have a car and a bungalow. Fine, but what you will do after that? Fight for it and always live in security? If you say, I want to give life, but I do not have facility right now. It's not about becoming a doctor or an engineer. It's question of another thing. You have to have a passion for whatever you're studying. This is how you can break the dark system that students should insist on learning something they have passion for. Then you say that to the life that I have passion for this and I want to nourish others and give others through this passion. Provide me. They say if you cry for divine, that goes for eternity. If you do 1,000 yogic practices, that is not noticed in cosmos. Because that tear or wonder for life, it is eternal thing. Because there you touched, you felt it, and that also feels that you saw it, and it saw itself through you. That's why he's playing that game. So once you truly from heart, you say, I really want to share, not as a deal, what I will get. In that moment, you start to function like a sun. It will give you fire. In true sense, wealth is that fire. You are sharing heat and light. That intention itself, is the prosperity. Or so for youngsters, I will say, do something which you have passion for. Life will find a way because your intention is not to keep it, but share more. And that is what the law of evolution is. If you do something, it should have many branches then more leaves should come out of it.
Like जब आप सुबह भी, when we were doing the sun salutation, you're doing the mantras in front of the sun. It was like you are actually made up of the sun. Still light. Technically, you're all elements. And I think just peeling that first thing in the morning made you realize how much it's created around you, and that sense of knowing that you're the source and then you can also create. I think is something that's really stayed with me since.
You see, each cell is made of sun's energy. So when you are doing this sun worship, Gayatri and all that, with that what happens, you are not addressing the sun there. You're addressing the sun into your whole system, 3 trillion cells. You're asking sun's wisdom to get activated into your system. Because you are made of sun, but it's waiting for you to invite it into your life. But sun is not a beggar. So if you are a beggar, forget about sun getting activated. But when you say that, because the sun is a wisdom, its light is forming all this, you see. Vedas are learnt by Hanuman through sun. So it's right there into your system. But you have to address this body made of sun, that Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsviturvarin. Magic will happen. But we are shooting arrow in the wrong direction. You have to shoot arrow like towards yourself.
रामचंद्र